Hello friends. Welcome AA Top Auto. Like, share, comment. Do not forget for subscribe. In this video I will review 2018 Hyundai Elantra. And also something new from 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Okay guys, we just go right. In short request, Hyundai has lifted the Elantra from rental armada stable to rising star in its class. Its alluring looks and ample choices make it an amiable, high-esteem decision. Its refined and fuel-effective 4-barrel motors combine with either a manual or programmed transmission. An Echo Show flaunts more torque and a snappy moving 7-speed double grip programmed. Aside from the base model, each Elantra has a fabulous infotainment framework with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Regardless of its appeal, the Hyundai is imperiled by a smallish rearward sitting arrangement and dull driving elements. All things being equal, it's adequate to put its greatest adversaries on take note. The progressions for this model year are gentle and incorporate another trim level and a few recently standard highlights. The new cell trim openings over the base SE. It replaces the popular bundle that was accessible on the 2017 SE. The cell likewise has a few standard highlights that were never accessible on the base model. These incorporate blind side observing, raise cross-activity alarm, and path change help. The Value Edition trim includes raised circle brakes, they're standard on the cell. The Elantra Limited currently has an auto-diminishing rearview reflect with Blue Link and HomeLink telematics frameworks as standard. 2017's Tech Bundle is presently part up on the Limited as either standard hardware or part of the Ultimate Bundle. Shale Gray Metallic paint is renamed Machine Gray. Now that was part of the important part of each of the advantages of the car that was summarized by AA Top Auto. Thank you for watching. Keep up with the latest and hottest videos from AA Top Auto.